Welcome to the Topaz floor plan. It's a 1,200 square foot apartment with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a great dining area. The foyer opens into this nice sized great room. This resident chose to use a piece of art to separate the kitchen. It adds fun and character to the room, and without it, it could be even more open and appear more spacious. Note the window above the kitchen sink, making this a very light and cheery kitchen. Let's take a look at the master suite. In addition to the queen-size bed, there's plenty of room for a sitting area or a reading nook. Note the double sinks in this master bathroom with a separate toilet room on one side and a walk-in closet on the other. This resident is using the guest bedroom as a bedroom. It's often used as a den, an office, sewing room, TV room. You can make it what you want it to be. We do have guest suites for your friends and family when they come to visit. The second bathroom is large and has the tub shower combination, so you can take either a bath or a shower. Don't miss the washer and dryer. They're stacked, which provides additional storage here on the side. And last but not least, there are 2 more closets, this linen and this coat closet. All Topaz floor plans have either a patio or a balcony, so you can enjoy the great outdoors. You can have a cup of coffee, a glass of wine, just enjoy the campus. Each Topaz has different finishes. Others may have different cabinets or different flooring. The kitchen could have tile or wood floors. Each has its own look and feel. You can change any of these finishes. You can customize it to be your dream home. For more information on any of our floor plans, call 515-978-2982 or go to our website for more information, discoveredgewater.com.